Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Just let me know if I'm audible to you. Just let me know traders if I'm audible to you. Chandru sir, thanks for confirming. Dheeraj sir, hello. Rajesh sir, good evening. Hope everything is okay with your relative. Not yet. Again, anytime if I get a phone call, I might have to go. So just as of now, I've left people to take care and I have come. But if I have to go to the hospital, I will let you guys know and I might have to close the live stream. But since I want to deviate my mind a bit, I've come live. Hi Srinivasa, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Jay Patel, welcome sir. All right, let me just share what I think about the market right now. Here you can see market has formed, sorry. Here you can see this trend line is acting as resistance 1, resistance 2. So in future, this area can act as resistance 3. Maybe we can consider this as left shoulder, this as head. If market moves towards the upside, again one right shoulder, then market has potential of moving towards the upside. Till now, the market has not yet reached the seller's pressure zone. Okay, it's a bit far for us. So what is the range of seller's pressure zone? It is close to, from the current level, close to at least 2400 points. And in recent times, market has been seeing continuous buyers. If this buyers have to re-enter and they want to reach the seller pressure zone, at some area they have to enter, right? So that area I'm considering as, let me switch to this zone. Okay, so if the buyers who are here, they held on to the market, and again if they want to push the market, maybe at this zone forming higher lows, again they can try to form higher high. So expectation is market might come to this zone and later reverse. First, my view about the market was, let me show 3 minutes time frame. Here, when market gave a breakout at the zone, it corrected and showed some continuation. I expected market to make a bigger move. Okay, that's why in the crypto community group also I had discussed, okay, there is one interesting setup. Where is that? Okay, this setup was interesting, but later I noticed that market was just trading within a box. So I said, okay, no need to hold on to this trade. Anyways, after 7 p.m. maybe we will start seeing some big movements in the market. So better to close the trade if they are interested. So to a certain extent, here since market was staying within a box, we avoided taking any trades in the market. Previously, this area was acting as resistance. You see this zone, resistance 1, 2, 3, 4. Now market is holding on to that resistance area. Looking at double top also, many people would have entered. So to hunt their stop loss, market can move towards the upside only if these buyers are strong. Okay, these are certain points of validation I have done from my end. I don't know if the buyer who is here, he will allow the market to fall and later he will re-enter, or this buyer who is here, he will try to push the market little towards the upside from this zone itself. That is something we will try to wait and see. 6 o'clock move is news based, is it? I was completely occupied, sir. I did not look into any news or any factors as that. I was only looking at based on price action. So if you know me already, mostly I don't give importance to too much of news, right? So here this buyer After this continuous move, some buying pressure we are able to see at this zone near 0.5 level. If he wants to trap people who's on top from this zone or little near the zone, he might try to push the market towards the upside. That possibility is there, but looking at this candle, I'm little worried about will they push the market towards the downside or not. I'll remove this box to avoid confusion. Is as much as I want to take a bullish trade here, I'm just thinking what is going to be the risk for this trade. If I think this buyer will re-enter, from the current zone, at least close to 1000 points risk I have to take. But market previously it was trading within this box, right? That is one concern I have. We'll see what kind of movement market will do. As of now, there's 50% correction, and then market is trying to hold on to this range. We'll wait for some time and observe the market. Sir, analysis is good. So much learning, sir. It's really helpful for me. You're welcome, Sheila Muthuman. Retest and big fall. See here, market is playing games, traders. Here it is forming lower highs, and here it is forming higher lows. So confusion is there, no? That's why at some range. But I feel if these buyers are strong, they might push the market towards the upside. For that small risk, should I take or not? I'm thinking that's all. Around 500, 550 points. We'll see. We'll mark the zone and keep. We'll wait for a bit. What is global market doing? Everything is kind of positive. Here market is correcting at 0.5 level. So, but this becomes a 50-50% chance. That's the problem. Because some pressure is there from top side also. You can see that. So it becomes a concern. And green candle, it is not showing continuation. We'll wait for a while. In the comment section, others, please let me know what is your view about the market. What do you think in the current zone? What might be the best idea? Market can reach 84,475. I'm thinking if market is bullish, it will reach 85,600. So just I'll just put the risk reward calculator. Okay, not planning anything right now, just trying. If this is the case, 1:1.7, but if market comes down, then it will be a decent 1:3, 1:4 risk reward. If here from here only, if market moves, I'll miss out on the opportunity. That is one concern I have. What I will do, I'll try to do 2 attempts. Okay, one is I'll place the buy order. I'll place my stop loss somewhere here. Okay, this is like 50-50% chance, not required. Who wants to wait, you can wait until the breakout. Okay, so for me, I feel this, if from here only, if market moves up, I'll miss out on the opportunity. That's why I placed the entry. I placed my stop loss little lower. This kind of selling pressure I can see here, but since I don't want to miss out on the opportunity, I've taken, or else I have to keep my stop loss here. So in this one trade, if I take a risk of 1000 points, maybe I might not be able to enter the second trade. That's why a small risk I've taken here. Next setup, we will see. If market comes down again at the zone, If I want one more opportunity, if it is available, I'll look into buying side. Okay. Here I just don't want to miss out on the opportunity. Here M pattern market has formed. It has attracted some people. If it breaks off this level, then continuation can happen. So that is what I'm looking for. My view is fall till 82,500 range and bounce back. 82,500 somewhere. 82,500 is somewhere here. So up to this zone you are expecting. That is there. That possibility is there. I'm saying no, there are two. This buyer at this zone, he pushed the market towards the upside, right? So here also buying was strong. So here at this zone near 0.5 level, if they want to push the market little towards the upside, if they re-enter, I will miss out on the opportunity. So either here I have to plan once, or if market comes here it shows any bullishness, here I have to plan one trade. So that's why I said I don't want to miss out on the opportunity. So I have taken this. Who wants to wait can wait until the next support zone. This correction though happening a bit strong here. Market kind of rejecting at 0.5 range. Can we enter near the trend line if buyer pressure zone? Which trend lines are you talking about? I feel this is the, after this move, this can be the immediate buying pressure zone. So in case market comes here, one attempt on the buying side you can do if you do not want to take the risk like me. Okay, you can wait up to the zone and later look for reversal. One attempt will be here, another attempt after this breakdown. So two attempts we will have towards the upside. Who wants to wait, you can wait. Draw a trend line in 5 minutes. Like this, sir. So you are okay with this trend line? Guys can see market is trading just within a box, trapping people both the side. So I have taken this trade since I don't want to miss out on the opportunity. In case you don't want to enter next buying zone after giving breakdown, if market tries to show an upside moment, maybe you can try to consider that. We will wait until then. We'll see what market has decided to do. Just within a range. Global market, so it's kind of okay. No, from below. See, from below trend line comes like this. First support, second support, third support. Here, if this is the buying pressure zone, market can move towards the upside. As I have just used your referral to open account, how much capital would I need to add, sir? Uh, there is a basic video, okay, crypto basic video in our channel. Please go and have a look at that. That will give you all the I will cover all the basic things in that particular video. So if you are interested, you can go and have a look at that. If you want the video link, as usual, I will share it with you guys. Okay, sir, I lost a lot of money in Nifty option. Should I stop trading in Nifty, sir? Okay, if you stop trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and you're not correcting your mistakes, you're making some losses in Indian market means sometimes, yes, we can say um, the market is very volatile, things like that. I'll answer your question. Before that, just I've shared one link how to trade Bitcoin in Delta Exchange. Please have a look at that. In that, all the basic things I have covered. Okay. So, like I was saying, in Indian market, if you're making loss, you come here. Here also, if you're coming with similar mindset, of course, here also there is a high chance that you'll end up in loss, right? So, what you have to do first, you need to identify in Indian market what mistakes you are doing. Okay. So that mistakes you have to try to correct. Once you correct that mistakes, then you can see if you're interested. Use the same concept in crypto market. There are small changes you might have to make. You do those changes and see what kind of results you are getting. So if you are having any technical issue or whatsoever in Indian market or things like that, which is not your fault, okay, you can leave Indian market and come here. But the setups what you're taking, if that is only the problem, then whichever market you go, it is going to be similar. Since I cannot come live in Indian market and take trades in front of you guys and explain all of these concepts because of the rules, I'm coming here trying to explain these concepts. So based on this, you try paper trading, try small quantity for some days, and see if your mindset and my mindset aligns. If concepts whatever I'm teaching, is it making sense to you? How can you implement those things in your trading journey? So at least, let's say you watch my live stream for one whole month. In that, at least 1 or 2 points if you learn, okay, that might be a turning point. For me, it was like that. I was searching for a lot of things, but later I learned some concept from one foreign guy, that is price action. Price action was very new for me before. That time this Geo and all these things also was not there. Internet was very expensive. YouTube was not that famous. Okay. So I'm saying that time I went to a foreigner. He taught me certain concept and he gave me a path. That helped me a lot. Same way from everyone there is something to learn. So stay in this live stream, see some, stay for 1 week 2 week and see if you can l- implement something that you can use. Itish, I want to know if there is a small head and shoulder pattern to consider for for movement between 10 to 12 March. Between 10 to 12 March. What is it? You mean to say left shoulder, head, and this is the right shoulder? Like this? Yeah, there is a possibility. This is the left shoulder range. Usually the length of the head has to be the target. For that, Trump has to be a bit positive, no? Is making the market completely volatile. One day how the market is, it's not like that the other day. Rajesh sir, good identification that bullish head and shoulder pattern is there. I've discussed as soon as I came live, I spoke about it, but we will see as market is holding on to this range for longer duration. Usually like this, when market happens, both the side movement is possible. First only I was saying this 50% chance. Again this range though. What is this? 1.6%, 0.8%. No solid movement. My message, sir, can we take today's 6 o'clock candle as a order block? People were saying that this is a news based candle. So if this is a news based candle, then in the current market, we need to consider this as irrelevant. One single candle I'm not taking into consideration, series of candle I'm taking into consideration. So those who want, you can see market is trading within a range, kind of avoid. Here one attempt on the bullish side if possible you see. Later, or in case it comes out of this range, retest shows continuation, then you see on the upside. This the continuous pressure it is showing. It's almost there. Okay, market did not respect the setup. There was already 50% chance only is what I was thinking. So now here this range market has given a breakdown. Now it is coming to this trend line support. We'll mark this and keep. Only confusion I have right now is, will this person enter or this person will enter? If this person is entering, he has to enter somewhere here. I mean to push the market towards the upside. There has been strong bearishness candles here. If it breaks this level, little more confidence it will give for many people. So the proper range. See, this can be the buying pressure zone, right? That's why from that time I have marked this. In case this level breaks, that means this buyer is not strong. Only this buyer is strong. He might re-enter after this breakdown. That I have told twice or thrice already. Praveen sir, can you think? Okay. Because if I draw a block there, the candle is in the range. Again, pressure. Okay, what we will do is we'll wait. Wait for some time. Continuation we are getting here. I know this is the buying pressure zone. Market is respecting this trend line, but strong bullishness we are not getting anywhere. So yes, sir. I'll be there on Tuesday and Wednesday. Sir, rest of the days I have works. So I make it to the live stream only on these 2 days. Hmm. Okay. Around 69 people watching the live stream. As of now, only 29, 25 likes. Support the channel. Support the channel, traders. So just to make things clear for people, this buying zone 1. My view is it to break the trend line and move up to trap. Yeah. See, this person has to be strong, traders. If this person is strong, then this zone can be a good reversal area in the market. But when market falls, right, my preference will be like this or like this, without in between green candles like that we should have. Here if you see, it is continuous red candles, 1 2 3 4, which is not able to break the previous high levels itself. So at this zone, any candle which breaks the high level, if I get that kind of setup, can you set alerts in Delta Exchange? I think you can. I'm not sure though. I've not tried if those features. You can try it in TradingView itself. In TradingView, if you have that option to set notifications. Usually, Delta TradingView do not give all of those features for brokers, right? So here I cannot split the screen and keep. That might be some feature what only pro members will get. So like that I'm saying. This is what I'm looking for. Problem is the continuation of red candles. It's not giving that confidence. Breakdown is happening, and this breakdown has to attract some people. Let's see. Continuous red candles. This is the final buyer's pressure zone. Previously, this area was acting as resistance. Now this ideally has to act as support, right? So now if this buyer is strong or not, still we are not getting any decision candle at all. Risk reward for this trade is decent, at least 1 is to 2.5. So continuous red candles. Nasdaq from 1.6 gone down to 1.2. S&P 500 from 0.6 gone to 0.4. Is there any news or anything as such? Let me know. Sir, my target hit, took a sell trade from top. Okay, good. Continuous red candles, not giving any confidence. Buyer zone 1 was not respected. Then I have to shift my focus to buyer zone 2. Buyer zone 2 can be, after looking at the series of candles, definitely it is a kind of pressuring thing for us to take opposite direction trade. But basically how price action works is the same, right? Taking opposite direction trade. What level is market right now? Mm, it was broken the 618 level also. News? News was over. No news. Okay. It's, it's got into my zone. I have taken buy entry. Okay, sir. Problem is these candles. This green candle is struggling to break this high. No matter what, I have to keep my stop loss here at least if I have to enter now. What I mean by this is, if I'm going long here, this is where I have to enter. My stop loss will be here, close to 800 points. And for that, 1 is to 1.5. Somewhat it's not matching my calculation. So I'll wait for some time. Somewhere at the zone, any reversal setup I get, I'll focus on that. Worried about these candles, that's it. Or else again 2 attempts below this candle stop loss, again below this candle stop loss. 2 stop loss trades I have to take. Risk reward will not sit properly here. Some news around 6 p.m. today. Yeah. People were saying around 6 o'clock there was some news. Market had not formed such a big red candle near this buying pressure zone, and it had slowly come here. Okay, I could have this one. Little pressure is there from this side. So again 50% chance it will become. What do you guys think? You think from this buyer zone itself market will start moving towards the upside, or it will move a bit trap little more people and then move towards the upside? What do you think is the possibility? I know Lakshmi sir is confident that from here only market will move up, but for me it's kind of looking as 50-50% chance. If it gives a closing here, this is the first time continuously after such a long time continuously market is given closing on top. What if I, in case market moves up, what if I focus on the pullback? What if I can focus on the pullback? These people are very strong. They will not allow the market to go above the zone, right? If these people are strong, they'll not allow the market to go above the zone. So probability is that if they push the market towards the downside after consolidation, I will get a reasonable stop loss for my entry. That I'm saying from the zone if market moves up. It's going into the okay, move down a bit, then the up move. I'm sure if Lakshmi Babu sir has entered the trade, he knows how to manage his risk, right? He would have placed a stop loss somewhere here, and after attracting people, his expectation will be, I don't think his plan is to capture more than 1,500 points. By then, I'm sure he will try to trail a stop loss. But I'm not getting confidence here because of these candles. Even if it moves here, I will consider this as pullback for me. Maybe by then he can book his profit and I can think about my bearish setup. Feeling is buyers are weak. Okay. We'll see, traders. I have changed my view to 50-50, where I'm thinking if this is the place where sellers are strong, if market moves towards the upside from top, I can be looking for any bearish opportunity. And if it moves down, one chance on the bullish side I will look into based on this risk reward calculator what I have put. So these two things is what I'm trying to factor in. Mm. So there are only buyers left in the market at downside. Should market go down to hunt SL? Saying here market gave a breakdown, here it gave a breakdown, but this breakdown is very strong, right? So after this, maybe here it might attract some people and later recover. If that is not the case, if market is slowly moving towards the upside, then I feel at the upper range as long as this level breaks this level, since these sellers are strong, they might re-enter. So Since there is 50-50 mindset, I will just wait. Anyways, maybe after this maximum one trade is what I'm going to take. Strategy also formed, is it, sir? Strategy is formed. But somewhat not getting confidence based on these candles. Can we consider this down move as stop loss hunting, as gave a it gave a broke the resistance here? This is the resistance. You mean to say this resistance market broke, that's why you're saying, or this resistance you're talking about? Just throw some light about, give me little more clarity, sir. Upside also not getting the confidence because of these candles. Downside also you're not getting confidence because of, since it is not hunted the stop loss. This is a awkward situation to be in the market. How long it will take, market only knows. This above resistance was news based resistance. So here expectation was okay. If market would have attracted some people hunting the stop loss from here only, it had to kind of recover. That's what I was expecting the market to do at the first place. Setup also is forming, but candles is not giving me the confidence. Hmm. Compared to these sellers, these buyers are nowhere strong as of now, at least, right? These sellers are definitely strong than these buyers. Think March again gone to 1.6% positive, 0.6% positive. Hmm. I think that news candle hunted the previous day sellers SL. People would have placed stop loss little bit higher, might be the zone you're considering, I guess. So there during this move, maybe it would have hunted the stop loss. Just not entering any trade for 45 minutes definitely is a boring situation. You mark the levels here. Support market has broken. Maybe it will go for retest if this sellers are strong, they might push the market again towards the downside. So maybe with that view itself, I'm just sitting. If I get an opportunity, maybe I will enter the trade. And then Suresh Kumar sir, good evening. Those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're not liked the video yet, support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. This market is showing some decent pressure here near 382 level. Stop loss for this trade is just 400 points. I don't feel like sitting in the market for too long. After continuous selling pressure, market is showing some correction. Placing this order. Okay, this might be the last trade for me for the day. So traders, this is the last trade which I might be taking for the day. Okay, so I have gone short. This is the stop loss, and for this, ideally first I'm just looking into 1:1.5. I'm okay with that. Took short position. Okay. One point four, 1.3. If he is really strong, no need to give such a big stop loss. I'll reduce the risk. Forming head and shoulder support at 81,000. Slowly I'll cut down my risk and come for this trade. See, I feel these sellers who enter the market during this pullback, they just re-entered, right? They got an pullback if they want to hold the market lower. So I expected them to push the market even lower. So now they have done that. So as much as possible, my risk also I have reduced for this trade. This is the stop loss right now, right? Around 400 points. Here though again there is this one. I think it will. Sir, my message are missed. See, all the messages what I'm getting is in purple. Okay, so I captured 1,000 points now, but since I'm learning, my profit was lesser. My lot size was very less. You're here to learn, sir. Don't think about the lot size or things like that, right? It is just that we are how to sit in the market, wait for your setup. Once you get the setup, how are you sticking to your stop loss? How are you sticking to target? To learn those things, you come here. I'm not worried if I give this loss because I got this conviction at the zone, right? So since I got the conviction, I'm going according to this. Now after this conviction also, if sellers are saying no, all this move was fake, then what can I do? I'll give that stop loss and exit. Okay, Praveen sir, I did not miss your message and it was not intentional at all. Uh, can we consider downside move as stop loss hunting as it has given a breakdown and retest? One I saw was breakdown, retest. After retest, sellers were showing pressure here. So I thought, okay, if they enter, they can push the market little lower. Here, even if buyers get attracted, little buffer I have given. So again, sellers can push. That is my belief. Based on that, I've taken this trade and I'm okay to give the stop loss for this. These two candles together, see this candle's high, this candle was not able to break, and this candle was not able to break this candle's high. Now one green candle is forming, but I consider these two as the strength candle and my stop loss is little above the strength candle. Even after this they want to push the market towards the upside, that's okay, but my risk, I think this is the maximum risk I can take for this particular trade because the sellers who are strong, I consider them as re-entering zone here. So expectation is they might push the market little more lower. If we add more lots after taking the trade, will it be a new price or the old price as the positions is only showing as one? It will take the new price, sir. It will never take the old price. It will just, based on the movement, it will just change your profit and targets. $750. Now for my convenience, I want to change it to 1 minute time frame. Okay. Setup, everything is same, just for my convenience. Because I'm very much used to 1 minute time frame. Now 1 minute time frame, it is showing continuous pressure. Kind of okay about that as long as this level market doesn't break. Thank you. I was confused as I only showed one position and couldn't calculate my Now, for example, let's say you entered some positions here. Okay, the profit and loss will be calculated based on this entry. Later you add, right? Market will calculate profit of this, okay, down move and this down move together. It will show like that. What it means by swap in crypto, I'm not sure, sir. If you can give me the context of the statement, then I'll get some idea. See, I have taken a bearish trade based on the conviction. People who's here, who's new, I'm trying to explain to you guys. The seller who pushed the market nicely towards the downside, he is very strong, right? He might try to push the market again if it moves towards the upside. But if he thinks this area is a fair price entry, then again I started seeing some pressure from his end. So I feel at this zone they have entered. That's why my stop loss is little above that zone. So if it goes above the zone, that means the seller has given up. As long as he is not giving up, I want to enter the market along with him, right? So that is what is the logic for me to take this entry. So in the comment section, let me know, traders, have you understood the logic and what do you feel about it? I'm saying my point of view, but I also would like to know your point of view about the market. Considering this area as support, right? Here market formed W pattern like this and moved towards the upside, right? Considering this area as support, again people would have entered here. So if the seller is strong, he will try to target them. Hopefully that is what I expect. Understood, bro. Okay, sir. Um, Trader, just give me a second, okay? I've placed my stop loss. This is my entry. Around 800 points I'm trying to capture. But if these sellers are very strong, then more movement I will try to capture. I'll be back, okay? I'll just have some water and come back. If stop loss hit, consider that I have exited the trade. Already stop loss trigger I have put. Ideally, the seller has to put quickly pressure again. They can't allow the market to stay within this range for longer duration. What is the global market doing? From 1.6 it has gone to 1.1%, 0. 60 people watching the live stream, only 47 likes. Those of you who's not yet liked the video, please do that. Mention your name in the comment section. Top 5 names we will announce, right? Quickly traders. 5 names. Vignesh sir, thank you. Thank you for liking the live stream. Ranjit sir, thank you so much. Suresh Kumar sir. Kasi sir, good evening sir. Welcome to the live stream. Shrikant from Qatar. Hello sir, welcome to the live stream. Happy to have you here. This market though is just playing games here. Too much, it should not stay within this range. The time both side movement is possible, but my stop loss I've kept little higher, right, above the zone. So in that case, kind of okay. I do not understand target of 81,640. I thought if price breaks through 82,000, this one, or above that, the price could go down to 81,300. See, now what my expectation was, if market has given a breakdown here, okay, and it has taken support here, my target I cannot keep somewhere at this zone. My risk reward, since my entry is here, my risk reward, just breakdown failure like that, if I consider, my target will not set. For the risk what I'm taking, at least 1 is to 1.5 risk I have to, reward I should get. Just to capture this points means my stop loss I cannot keep so much. I'm sure you're getting the point. See, first is a risk reward, okay. Second, first is price action, stop loss hunting. Now if market is attracting people here, making them feel this is the demand zone, it can break this level. But since the sellers is entered here or here or here, after hunting the stop loss, it might even make a more smooth movement after breaking this level. So that is the only reason I'm not placing my stop loss exactly near the support. Okay, that is point number 1. Point number 2, I cannot hold on to this trade until this support. This target is too far. So maybe when this people think about re-entering or something like that, I should get off the target. So too much I cannot wait. At the same time, I cannot get plan for only 1:1 risk reward for my trade, because I have decided this is the seller pressure zone. Above this only I have to keep stop loss. For 400 points, at least 800 points reward I have to get. So sometimes exactly support, resistance, those cannot be the target. Based on risk reward, price action, what is the next probability? According to that also we have to place our stop loss and targets. Okay. Srinivas sir, have you got some clarity about how I am looking at things? I understood, sir. I have taken uh, strong options that if market breaks, it can fall 76k in near future. See, here it was attracting people, right? After attracting people, if it is going, then bigger movement is possible, right? From here it can reverse, something can do. But what is the point of breaking so much? Market needs too much strength to move towards the upside, right? So like that you think market is almost near this target zone. Who wants to book, please book, exit. From here market will reverse or something. I'm observing today. See, here it has given strong breakdown. Okay, first it was attracting people here. They thought it's going to be a bullish trade, but it hunted all their stop loss. Now stop loss is hunted. Market has not yet reached my target zone, but since I believed these sellers, I thought it has more potential to go up to this zone, right? Now it is given a decent profit. Who wants to exit? You can consider to do that. You want to, this one means reduce your risk, get your stop loss even lower. You see, this is the next seller's pressure zone. If that is the case, no need to keep bigger stop loss for this trade. Reduce it. Thank you, sir. Done it. What done? Almost there. Market has given 700 points move. Thank you, bro. Book $28. Okay. In the comment section, let me know what and all has happened to your trade. How has it gone? What are they doing to US market? So got it lower. See, all this is exit opportunity for people who has entered along with me, right? So continuously net to net, third day you guys would be in profit, I guess. Trailing. I like this part of your stream. Strong psychology. Okay, thank you. I have doubt, bro. Why you focus only BTC? See, BTC is comparatively highest traded in compared to other this one. Ethereum and all I can focus, but when we concentrate on one thing, not switching multiple things, we spend time here. Little more we can get, right? So that is what. See here, after giving breakdown, will market reverse? Definitely there is chance. Who wants to book your profit? Please book. This is the third time I'm saying. I have, there are other, this one also I can focus, but what I decided was for 3.5 months, uh, let me only focus on BTC, right? Try to understand BTC sentiment, because in Indian market I focus both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I do parallel watching, things like that. There one index can say what the other index can do, right? That is what I focus on there. But here, what is the proper pair for bank nifty PTC? Still I'm not getting that clarity. First I have to get adjusted to BTC, then other index. Like I'm saying, market has given a breakdown here. If buyers re-enter, you might not see bigger profits in the market. So what I have decided to do is I have decided to reduce my loss. Okay, so whatever happens in the market, I will end up in profit. For you guys, better opportunity already I've told here. I'm a stupid person who's holding on for little longer. Why not close your trade? My psychology doesn't work that way, sir. 99% of the time I stick to my target and stop loss. Only one rare situation, yesterday you saw, we made around 1700 800 points, but quickly I exited because something I saw which can affect. Now since I have nothing to lose, now what to worry about? So because of you I'm booking proper risk to reward. Okay, you're the best. You're welcome, ma'am. See, I might take stupid decisions in the market, not necessary that with me only you have to stick. According to you, what is the proper risk reward for the risk what you took? Like, let's say, for example, you placed your stop loss, you entered somewhere here. At this area, you entered. You placed your stop loss here. That time, risk reward for this trade is too much, right? So, already 900 points means you would have made a profit of close to at least 1:6 based on this reward, this risk reward I'm saying. You entered here when market gave my entry point again. You would have placed your stop loss here. You would have placed your target here, right? So yeah, 1:3, 1:4 risk reward. So that is a decent risk reward. For me, for what am I sitting? I'm sitting for 1:2. That only is not achieved for me yet. Because of that, I am still sitting. You don't want to sit? Don't. Almost there. Target. All these things are chances for you guys to exit traders. Okay. So medical student, I don't have a lot of time to study on screen max. I can say on market in 2 hours per day. Since we can't predict market at that time, I can try trading crypto futures for traders. Target achieved. Okay. Now after this, whatever I get is bonus. If I want, I can exit here. For everyone, I'm saying target is achieved, right? So after this, you want to hold, you don't know, you want to this one continue, everything is up to you. Whatever decision you take is up to you. Okay, from here my job is over. The comment section, let me know what is the current status. Target is already here, achieved. What are you guys still doing? Sir, I know you asked a query, but I'm in between a trade. Just give me some time. I'll finish this. So I will consider my target also achieved. Okay, around 92 points, $92. Till about this. Now this candle might hit my stop loss, I guess. If it doesn't, good for me, but it might hit. BTC USD. Now in the comment section, please tell me what happened to your trade. Are you still holding the trade along with me? Have you booked the target? What have you done? Okay, target done. Around $76-78. This was a decent trade for me. For I hope others also made use of this. Around 970 points. I feel still there is continuation possibility, but I am already exhausted. Okay, trailing stop loss set means close. That's it. Sir, very big profit for me. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Next time, please manage your risk reward. Just because continuously we are making profit doesn't mean that we will not make losses. Every day, ensure you trade as per your risk capacity and do not exceed your risk limit per day. Okay. So, medical reps stays on 4 days since perpetual contract, or should I try SMTG like algo? Or I'm not a right person to speak about algo because I personally do not like algo. Nothing I do is based on algo, right? Because I enjoy looking at the market, me observing the market based on that profit or loss, that what people say kick. I want that. So I do not give importance to algo trading or those kind of things. So I'm not the right person to speak about that. If you say you only have 2 days in a in a day to concentrate, choose that time and see in which market is volatile at that point of time. For example, let's say Indian market is open from 9:15 to 10:15, 11:15. If that is the time that you have, okay, you can definitely focus on that Indian market. Or London sessions, afternoon time you have, see what you can do in London market sessions. US market time, you have that 2 hours, you spend there. So spending more than 2 hours, 2.5 hours you spend. I can see so many people coming live stream for more than 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. But my mindset doesn't work that way. I cannot sit in one place. Or my mind, basically my brain also works for 2 hours. Based on that only I can look at the setup, identify the setup, and I can take. Or else more trades if I take, I'll end up in loss. Okay. So Pranav, Vikram sir, I hope I've given clarity with the best of the knowledge I have. So after this, will market continue? Whoever is holding on to this trade, try to trail your stop loss up to this zone. Okay. From here, if it falls, little more movement you can capture. This is not an advice to take fresh entry. I'm saying whoever is holding on to the profits. Okay. All right, traders. I'm really sorry, sir. I couldn't hear you properly. Your mic was breaking a lot. Am I audible to you? Sir, I am in Delta Exchange. What to do? See, if you have opened a Delta Exchange using our referral link, you send a WhatsApp message to me, okay, on this number. Okay, you send message to this number if you have opened account using our referral link. Account link, opening link is there in the first comment. Okay, so after opening account, message to this number, share your Delta Exchange user ID. we will check, and we will add you to our crypto community group. Here you get access to the setups. Okay, also I will share my strategy here. So indicator based strategy, other strategies you guys want to learn in the future whenever I'm going to post. Now I'm thinking certain things and I'm placing my trades, right? So all those logic, end of the day it will come as a course. So when it comes as a course, you all will get access to that for free of cost, right? So that is what it is. So like I said, whoever entered the trade, make sure your stop loss is maximum up to this zone. No need to take more stop loss. If the movement continues, you capture, or else give that stop loss and exit. No need to take fresh trades. All right, traders, now your voice is clear, sir. Can you just try to repeat? Okay, Pranav sir, you are saying that you have only 2 hours per day, right? If that is the case, you focus in market whatever 2 hours. Let's say you're free from morning 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. That means focus on Indian market, because that is where Indian market is volatile, right? So there you can try to capture decent move, or you try uh, European markets later in the afternoon. If you are free somewhere around 1:30 to 2:30, 3:30, okay, based on that crypto also will make some movement that you can see. If your time availability, that 2 hours you can spend only in the night, then spend that in crypto market or US market session. Okay, I personally, even I cannot spend in the market more than 2 hours, 3 hours. 2 hours is maximum I can spend. Later I lose interest. If I sit in the market, I might end up taking more wrong trades, so I don't stay in the market for longer duration. So 2 hours is more than enough for you to stay in the market. Okay, I hope I've given the clarity. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. If you made use of the content, support the channel before I close by liking the video, subscribing. Also, if you wish to join our crypto community group, get access to our strategy for free of cost, open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the description box below. Thank you everyone for participating. See here, market is continuously moving. Just trail your stop loss. Okay. All right, traders. Thanks for participating. Bye bye. Good night. God bless you.